I'm gonna put some clothes in the washing machine. And as you see, this is the washing machine. Can I start it now? Grandma? Everything's in there, so I might as well pull it out. It is a Whirlpool washing machine. I put the clothes in the washing machine and I started it. Oh yeah! So, sorry dudes. So, I'm very sorry. Gonna have to open the machine. Huh?
Yep, you have to open it. Oh, you need to close it.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright.
I sometimes forget of doing laundry. I'll put it under the water. And I'll rinse the cup out. There we go.
And then
Look at, huh?
I'll set the dryer right away too.
So I can put the clothes in right away and start the dryer?
Yep, you can.
Alright. Look in the mirror. What do you see? Let's see. This dryer is a profile dryer. There's a paper washing machine started. Turn off the lights. There's my preheat fluorescent light. We're gonna take this in the laundry room as well. Actually, we're not gonna take it in the laundry room. The laundry room has so many stuff. So we're gonna put my 15-watt preheat fluorescent under cabinet light over here. And how about we turn it on for you? Here we go. That was cool. Let's do that again. Got somewhat blinkage. This is recommended to you. Awesome. One more time. Alright, so I'll unplug it. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it. How about we put it somewhere in the basement? And I'm gonna start the dryer later. So, do you know what that means? We're gonna get to doing everybody's favorite part of doing laundry. Gonna go in the pool room here. There's my Bedtime at Night VHS tape from Band the Big Blue House. But we're not gonna look at that tape today. Although that is really my favorite tape ever. That was cool. Put it against the wall. Now we're going to turn this light off. There. That's right, the pretend elevator. It's on the second floor. There's a call button that lights up green. Here he comes. turn the light on. Awesome. Let's go to 2. Ooh, dark closes when you push the button. I like that. Here we are at 2. Now we're gonna go to 1. Ooh, dark close button works. We all love that. Let's get a cat view. It's your basic closet elevator. Look at that light. I like that light. I just love saying that phrase. Here it is. You know, that's what I'm gonna say. Every time I go somewhere, I'm gonna be like, look at that light. I like that light. Again, the call button lights up green. I guess we can do one more startup of this light. And there it is, and that's it.